Alright, we're going to put on some Treal hardened steel drive shafts on the scx6 honcho today. They look like a lot of glare, but they were double wrapped again, so they're really good about that, so you won't catch anything. Real quick, I'll try to put a picture in, but you can get the numbers off this if you want to purchase these. So I removed the tires because I was doing other videos and other mods, so you don't have to do that, but I'm just going to go ahead and flip the truck over. That's one of those super easy mods, really. You know, to remove the front. I mean, you can take your body off too if you want to, but I know it's going to end up, this is padded under this sheet, and I know that it's going to end up hitting a lot harder than it's sitting right here. But you're going to want to just take this out on this end, and then there's going to be another one up on this end. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rear one because it looks to be the easiest. You've got, try to get that angle, right down. Oh, I wasn't even looking at the right spot. Idiot. Okay, I flipped my truck over here, and this is the rear drive shaft. You're going to want to remove this and this one right there, and that's going to be for the rear drive shaft. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just wanted to show real quick before I actually pulled one out. This is the one that goes right before the diff, just to show you it's kind of like a pin bolt. I don't know all the technical terms, but just to give you an idea. That was super easy. Simply put her back together. Why is she coming apart? The front one's going to be a little tougher. This part will be easy, but this side up here looks like it's blocked a little bit, but I think if you just, oops, that one up in there, I think if you just flip it over and do it from above, it'll be easy. So I'm going to take this bottom one off and then flip her over. Okay, just like I thought, flip it over and it's going to be super easy, and you lift the body. That one down on the bottom, I loosened it up. Can't quite see in there. I loosened it up all the way, and I just have to kind of pull it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out. Okay, I wanted to show you that if these don't come right off, you can just take a screwdriver and just gently do that. And I just did it, and it will pop right off. Just be careful. Just don't mess up the bearing or anything. Alright, here they are installed. I didn't use any sort of Loctites or anything like that because I'll be taking this apart here and there. It's be cold in Maine right now, and I'm not going to be going out that much. So I'm not worried about it right now, but you know, if you're putting it together for more of a permanent thing, you might want to. And always take those stock drive shafts, keep those with you. They could ruin your day. Like if something happened to one of these babies, which I don't see it happening, but if something does, you don't want your day ruined when you could just slam in another, your stock drive shaft that was designed to be there anyway. So these weigh like 30 something grams or something like that, more than the stock ones, and their profile is way better. There's no doubt about that. So much better. Alright, hopefully you guys figured that out, how easy it is. Most of the stuff, I don't watch videos or anything. I haven't touched RCs really for 15 years. I'm just grabbing it and doing it, and that's how easy it is.